Hi friends, since I did have requests in making a short tutorial on how to crochet this Christmas tree decoration, or you can use this as a back charm or as a window decor. So here I am. This is a very fast working project. It took me 15 minutes to finish one of these. So enough chatting, let's get over to the material list and get started the tutorial. So to make these little Christmas ornaments, which are Christmas trees, I'm going to use weight 4 in green, weight 3 yarn in yellow, and also weight 3 yarn in brown. For example, here I've used all weight 3, and to make the edging I've used a weight 2 yarn for this, and for this I've used a weight 2 to make the edging. And this green is also a weight 4. The brown one is a weight 3, and this one right here, this is a weight 3, the brown one. The green one, it's a weight 4. The white one and the yellow one, it's a weight 3. So as you can see, this project is very versatile. You can use any kind of yarn you have in your stash. You don't need to go and buy new yarn. Then, in addition to the yarn, you are also going to need a 3mm crochet hook, yarn needle to weave in loose ends, and some glue. You can use this type of glue, or if you have a hot gun glue, use this. So to get started, we are going to make first the core of the Christmas tree, and we are going to start right here with a puff stitch. So for this, you are going to take your brown color, make a slip knot, and then chain 3. Into the very first chain that you've made, you are going to yarn over, go into the chain, pull up a loop, make sure that it has the same height as your starting chain, and then yarn over again into the same loop, pull high, so 2, and a third time, yarn over and pull through. Now yarn over and pull through all of them and close. And now you are going to chain 16. Once you've done that, you are going to start into the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into each chain till the end. You should have a total of 15 single crochets. I'll meet you back at the end. Once you've made your 15 single crochets, you are going to slip stitch right here where the bubble stitch is, chain 1 and fasten off. You can now set the brown aside, you don't need this anymore. Now you are going to take the green and you are going to make a slip knot. Now take the core of the tree and you are going to hold it like so on the other side, and then join into your very first stitch with a slip stitch and a chain of 3. This counts as a double crochet. Into the same stitch you are going to make 2 more double crochets, so you are going to have 3 double crochets in total. Now you are going to make 3 double crochets into the next stitch and then into the next 3 stitches, so you are going to have 5 clusters of 3 double crochets. So into each chain, into each stitch, you are making 3 double crochets until you have 5 clusters in total. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. Now we are going to continue into the next 5 stitches. You are going to make into each stitch 3 half double crochets. So go ahead and make 3 half double crochets into the next 5 stitches. So one done. Go ahead and make 4 more half double crochet clusters. Once you've done that, you are going to make now single crochet clusters. So into the last 5 stitches, into each stitch you are going to make 3 single crochets. Repeat. I'll meet you back. Now once you've made also your single crochet clusters, without chaining, you are going to turn your work, and we are going to make into the next 15 stitches 2 single crochets. So into each stitch of the 15 stitches you are going to make 2 single crochets this time. Two and 3. So continue like this until you have 15 2 single crochets clusters. Now once you've done that, we are going to continue by making groups of 2 half double crochets into the next 15 stitches. So into the next stitch make 2 half double crochets, into the next 2 half double crochets, and you are going to continue like this until you have 15 groups of 2 half double crochets. Okay, once you have your 15 groups of half double crochets, now into the last 15 stitches we are going to make groups of 2 double crochets. So into each stitch make 2 double crochets. So continue working like this, and I'll meet you back at the end of the row. At the end of the row you are going to chain 1 and fasten off. Now this is what your work should look like. So it should curve like this, like a wind spinner. See? Okay, now go ahead, use your yarn needle and weave in all the loose ends. Okay, now you can set the green aside. Now to make the snow, you are going to take your white color. So the white that I'm using has this golden tinsel, so I'm not sure if you can see this. And then you are going to make a slip knot, and we are going to start right here on the top of our tree, and then go into the first stitch and make 1 single crochet. And now you are going to chain 20, 4, 5, 6. Now once you have 20 chains, you are going to go back into the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch like this. Now try working over your starting tail if you can manage this. Now you are going to chain 1 and into the next stitch make 1 slip stitch, chain 1, into the next stitch 1 slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the next. And this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way down the row. So chain 1, slip stitch into the next, chain 1, slip stitch into the next. So this is really a very fast working project. You have about 15 minutes to do this, so I have 15 minutes to do one of these 3, and it looks nice, and It's such a great last minute Christmas decor. So I'm going to finish off camera and then I'll meet you back to show you how to make the star. Now at the end of the row, I just want to show you quick, the last stitch should be a slip stitch. Now you can chain one and fasten off and then weave in the loose end. Okay, so now to make the star, you are going to take your yellow, you need to make 2 of them. Your 3mm crochet hook, make a magic ring, pull up a loop, and then you are going to chain 1 to secure. This doesn't count as a stitch. Into the magic ring, make 1 single crochet. Then you are going to chain 2 and slip stitch to your very first chain that you've made. And then single crochet into the magic ring, and then again chain 2, slip stitch to your first chain, and you are going to repeat this until you have 5 of these picots. Okay, so I have here my 5 picots. Now you are going to close the magic ring and you are going to slip stitch to your very first single crochet that you've made, like this. Chain 1 and fasten off. Now if you want to sew the stars together, you need to leave a little bit more tail for the sewing, and if not, I'm just going to pull the tail on the back side of my work like so, and then I'm going to make 2 knots to secure the tails on the back side, just like this, and then trim this off. Now if you are using a hot glue gun, you are not going to need this sewing clip, but since I am using this glue right here, so go ahead and put glue on the wrong side of the star, on both sides, like this. And now you are going to take your tree and you are going to place 1 star in front, right here on top of the tree, in front, and take the second star and you are going to place this on the other side like so, and make sure that the picots are matching, and I'm just going to put I'm going to put 2 sewing clips on both sides, and then wait a few minutes and it is already dried, and you can hang this to your tree, or you can also hang this to a bag. Use this as a bag charm. You can make the chain a little bit longer. Yeah, the possibilities are endless. You can also just use this as a window decoration. So thank you all for watching and for joining me today yet for another tutorial. This was a quite short tutorial. Leave me a comment. You can leave me a Christmas tree comment down below this tutorial, and I'll see you next time with a new one. Bye.